So I look up and like I'm watching this and I look up and this is what I see. This, like, why are you jumping? Like, are you eating this? Prez, are you eating that? No, what did you do? You tore its head open. Are you serious? I thought he was chewing on his bone. No. I am so disappointed. You chewed its head open? Did you eat that? Oh my god, I have to get it now. No, stop army crawling. No. No. Look, I'm picking this up. No. What? How much of this did you actually eat? Okay, look, Hunch Bear is gone. Do you know that? You cannot know. You can. Hey, hey, get open. Give me that. I'm trying to eat that. He's trying to eat that. Not you trying to sneak. My strange addiction. Hunch Bear is gone. Bye, Prez. You tore my head open, and now I don't have any stuffing left because you ate it all. No.